Kanika, welcome to eTimes TV.
Thank you so very much.
And how have you been? Where are you right now?
With my family, I am in Delhi with my parents, not with my in-laws, because my in-laws, they all were suffering from COVID-19. So when I reached to Delhi, they got to know that they are positive. So I decided to stay with my mom.
Yeah.
Critical conditions. So.
Yeah. How has been this pandemic and lockdown? How has it treated you, and what are the challenges that you have faced personally?
Everything has good things also and bad things also. Of course, this is a big pandemic, and I've been facing not those kind of problems which generally people are facing, and my heart goes out to people like them, like people who are suffering, people who have lost their loved ones, or these people. But for me, if I say, I spent a very quality time with my child, as I was not able to. I've learned so many things about him, and as a mother, I've grown to another level of patience, that how to entertain kids without TV, without going to school, without going to the garden.
Yeah.
And so it was really challenging, but yes, it is a very difficult time, and I have faced challenges like that, staying all alone by myself with my kids, doing everything of a household, and even staying. There were days when I stayed on potatoes and rice also with my child and with Maggie, because we did not had I was very scared to go down to get the vegetables and everything, and I thought let it be. So a few days were like that also.
Yeah. So how difficult was for you, Kanika, अगर हम बात करें बच्चे को ऐसे माहौल में engage रखना, खुश रखना, kids usually become cranky because उनको नीचे जाने की आदत है, पार्क में जाने की आदत है, malls में जाने की आदत है, but और इतने छोटे बच्चे को समझाना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि what is the scenario, what are we dealing with actually. So what were the things that you did from your side?
See, mentally it's very challenging, because they're not able to understand what is happening. They're not that big also to understand that this is a very big danger, and they're not even that small that you can just hide them or just tell them, no, you cannot go anywhere. They are little rebellious. He's 6 years old.
Yeah.
And mentally also they are going through a trauma, that screen time nahi karna, school nahi jana, and and doing the virtual classes and everything. They don't want to. They want human touch and everything. It is challenging, but I tried being nice and patient, because there are times when I've seen my friends and people and mothers, they're being cranky, they're rubbing their energies to them because they have to do work and everything. The poor child does not even know. So I tried to remain calm and positive, that it's all right. If he throws tantrums, if he throws things and all, it's fine. I don't have to get that it's all right. It is normal. It's a bad situation, but we'll handle it. I just say to my child this, all right, I think few people have given us stay at home and to be do that. I keep saying this to him. We are strong than what is coming to us.
And how positive or how supportive your husband was during that time, because काफी लोग तो work from home भी कर रहे थे, काफी लोगों के offices शुरू थे, they couldn't sit at home. Luckily you belong to जहाँ पर आप choose कर सकते हो कि आपको काम करना है या नहीं करना है. काफी बार actors give in the pressure, because they have to maintain that financial cycle. तो काफी लोग उस pressure में भी काम करते हैं. आपके लिए कैसा था वो पूरा?
I tell you, my husband went on the 12th of March from Bombay for some work, and 16th March was a lockdown. So all that while I was all by myself, because my husband was stuck in Delhi and I was in Bombay. So we couldn't meet also. So that was again a challenging thing, because to stay away with your husband for so long and a child is asking for that. It was a very challenging thing, but I tried doing it, because yes, as an artist, I did not do any auditions. I did not go for any shooting. I tried to remain to my this thing only, to my house and to my things, that I should not do work because this is not the right time. I can work later also, but this is not the right time.
बट कभी एज एन आर्टिस्ट आप पर प्रेशर आया फाइनेंशियली? बिकॉज आई नो कि आप काफी टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं और आपने अपना एक इन्वेस्टमेंट बनाकर रखा होगा, फिर भी काफी बार ऐसा होता है स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक, जब आप 5-5, 6-6 महीने, 1-1 साल, और उसके पहले भी आप प्रेगनेंसी की वजह से आपने एंड डिलीवरी की वजह से आपने काम नहीं लिया था। एज एन आर्टिस्ट कभी वो प्रेशर आया आपके ऊपर कि फाइनेंशियली आई हैव टू?
God has been very kind. I'll tell you, God has been very kind that I come from a family where money is not a problem. To a family where money is not a problem. God has been very kind to me that I have faced that kind of a challenge. But as an actor, the hunger of going to work, coming on camera, your fans asking when are you coming, and then what happens when you sit at home? People think that you're not getting work. It's just that people don't think that you are making some choices or you're taking a sabbatical. They don't do that. They make you into this category. Oh, Kanika is coming back. Like after doing from last 19 years, I've been working, and I took a little sabbatical. Not even a sabbatical from TV. I did not do TV for a little while because I was busy doing my film. Then I was doing my musical theater, such a big show I did. But still, when I did two Till Choda, they still say, "Oh, welcome back, Kanika," and some after 3 years and all that. So you get into the category of this, and yes, that pressure of not being seen is always fearful.
Yeah. So, Kanika, when you decided to take up work, when you decided to work on a television show, and we know that television shows, daily soaps are very hectic. तो जब आपने सोचा कि क्यों इतने दिल छोड़ा है आप करेंगे, वो पैंडेमिक का ही टाइम था, लेकिन तब सिचुएशन थोड़ा नॉर्मल हो रहा था.
Correct.
Now you are in Delhi, so have you taken a break from it, या अभी आपका ट्रैक नहीं है? What is it?
Actually, they asked me to go to Rajkot. They're shooting near to the Rajkot area.
Yeah.
And they asked me, you have to go for a month and all. And I'm like, I cannot leave my child for a month. It's like, no, you can take your child also there. At that time, taking your child to a place where you don't even know how the food would be and how things would be, and you'll be busy shooting, and that was not the thing I wanted to do. And I requested my producers and my channel people, and I made them understand my situation, that I am going through a time where my time is more in kind of work. If you can, make me a way track and everything. And they were understood my thing, and it happened in a good way, in a very, very peaceful way.
Yeah. So currently you're on a break from the show because of this pandemic, and your child needs you right now.
Correct. Yes. Like right now, I said that, like, if I can say, like my family is there, everything, like I have a complete support. I can come like for a few days and everything. So I don't know, now the makers and the story has moved to another place and everything. So I don't know how will they do it. But yes, I like the show so much. It's dear to me.
Yeah. Usually what happens, industry में एक myth है कि if you get married, आपका career खत्म. If you have delivered a baby, आपका career खत्म. आपको कितने challenges का सामना करना पड़ा जब आपने decide किया कि आप अब बेबी को छोड़कर आ सकते हो काम पे?
See, I've been again, I will say that I've been very in that way, that because throughout my pregnancy, Diya Bati's fact was like this, that I was pregnant in the show.
Yeah.
Then within 15 days of my delivery, I went back to Diya Bati's set again. The thing was this, that I faced a challenge, I should say that because of my weight gain. I was like, the weight was too much. Again, the people have started putting me into one category, Arey Bhapi, Mami, and all that. And whatever I have done in my life, it is whatever I liked it, that's why I did. I don't want to put a pressure or a mark on myself that, oh, she can only do Bhabi and Mami and Bua and all that. So that was a challenge I had to face. Then after Diya Bati, it was such a big show. big role. People can't see me beyond Meenakshi. It was so difficult for me to
You
get
got
back to
stereotyped.
shape, to make them understand that yes, it was like that, and that's how our TV works. So it's all right. But yes, again, you need to start upgrading yourself. You need to start challenging yourself. That okay, fine, this is a challenge you are facing. That if somebody has kept you into in a boundary, you need to know how to cross it. So I've been trying to do it. I've been trying to be a sexy mom and doing my motivational stories, doing my poems. So people are looking at me in a different way also. I should say that.
Yeah. So how much weight did you lose during that time? Do you remember?
Now I'm 47 kgs. I was 67, so you can see how much of weight I have lost.
So मैंने काफी सारे टीवी सेलिब्रिटीज स्पेशली मॉम से बात की है, वर्किंग मॉम से. वी कम अक्रॉस दिस सिचुएशन. हमें अक्सर ये सुनने में मिलता है टीवी सेलिब्रिटीज से, टीवी मॉम से कि जैसे आपने कहा कि एक आपको स्टैम्प करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि अच्छा अब तो ये इनकी शादी हो गई, अब तो इनके बच्चे हो गए, तो अब ये भाभी के रोल पे, मम्मी के रोल में इसमें ही फिट होंगे. सो आपने जब बेबी वेट गेन किया था, इट इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस, एवरी वुमन गोज थ्रू इट. आपको क्या क्या बोला गया? व्हाट वर द थिंग्स दैट यू वर टोल्ड एंड यू वर नॉट टेकन, और यू वर टोल्ड कि नहीं आपके प्रोजेक्ट के लिए फिट नहीं?
Because of the weight gain, I was not being offered that kind of a role actually. और एक अभी पता है ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि आप कोई ब्रिक नहीं हो कि आप कहीं पे भी फिट हो जाओ. You have to. I have like God is being so kind to me that I'm into the situation where people write for me. It's a tailor-made role for me now. Even Kyun Se Dil Choda Hai is a tailor-made role for me. That only Kanika can pull this kind of role. So getting into this kind of a mindset is very difficult one, that you get this kind of a opportunity that writers can write for you.
Yeah.
But yes, people don't write sexy stuff for you. Like if I want to do Nagin, maybe I won't get Nagin. If I want to be Ikshadari Nagin and all that, if I want to do it, like because I think the way it's been portrayed, the way it's been presented, it's very, very sensual, very sensual. I mean, we women also want to look at it. Whatever we say, "Arey, kya faltu show hai? Aisa thodi na hota hai," and all that. But we still want to look at it because of this, the way they look, the way they present, the women are so nice and all sexy. So I think if I want to get that kind of a role, I can't, because again there are like you are being limited to something. You're this, you're that. So these are things but that's how TV works, and you have to accept where you are and which category you are being portrayed. But touch wood, I think the web series has come and it has given a different medium to actors like us and to the age bracket we are in. So yeah, we are happy the kind of things are happening.
Yeah, right, true. एंड जैसे आपने कहा कि लॉकडाउन में आपको अपने बच्चे के साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करने को मौका मिला. क्या क्या चीजें आपने पर्सनली की आप अपने बच्चे को एंगेज रखने के लिए? आप हाउ डिड यू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि आप वेट लूज कर चुके थे, आपको वापस से इंडस्ट्री में आप सोच रहे थे कि वापस टीवी शोज आप कंटिन्यू करोगे, वो प्लान चल रहा था, एंड देन दिस पैंडेमिक मस्ट हैव हिट. तो आपने अपने तरफ से अपने आप को भी फिट रखने के लिए, हेल्दी रखने के लिए क्या किया? क्योंकि वी ऑल नो दैट जिम्स वर शट, एवरीथिंग वाज क्लोज और हम बाहर ही नहीं निकल सकते थे चार दीवारी के.
Yes, I was doing this form of sex. So been doing Tabata and little bit of yoga, bit of meditation. So when I do things like this, I was doing boxing. So मैं कहती नहीं कि तुम ये कर लो, तुम वो कर लो. वो देखता है और करता है. मेरे साथ अगर ओम करती हूँ तो वो भी ओम करता है. तो टबाटा साइड वो भी फिट में हम लोग अलोम भी करते थे, क्योंकि अगेन इट इज वेरी गुड. और एक्साइटमेंट में ये चबाता एंड ऑल करती थी। फिर मैं अपने बेटे के साथ में रोल प्ले करती थी कि आज चलो तुम वेजिटेबल वेंडर हो और मैं विदाउट मास्क आई हूँ, एंड यू से नो मास्क नो वेजिटेबल, गो होम। सो sometimes he becomes up, उसको मैं पुलिस का ड्रेस पहना देती थी that you are a cop and I have come without mask and without helmet and I'm just littering around and having fun. You say there is a lockdown, you can't do that, don't break rules, so all that. So sometimes he becomes Modi ji also. Just like role play, we keep doing it. भाइयों और बहनों घर पे रहो, he keeps saying that.
How cute.
Yeah, I mean doing this, painting, doing all these stuff, little bit things, and they make and that आप उनको जनरल नॉलेज भी आप उनको बताएं और एक फन वे में एक अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बता रहे हो। लाइक आई कीप आस्किंग माय किड्स, लाइक ऑल द 3 किड्स, उनको मैं कम्युनिटी हेल्पर बना देती हूँ और उनको पूछती हूँ कि बताओ कम्युनिटी हेल्पर, आई एम अ डॉक्टर, डू यू नीड हेल्प, आपको कहीं दर्द तो नहीं हो रहा? आई नीड टू आस्क देम ना कि कोई उन्हें कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो हर रोज हम लोग पूछते ही हैं, गले में दर्द तो नहीं है, हाथ में तो नहीं है, तो वी आस्क देम लाइक दैट, मेक देम अ कम्युनिटी हेल्पर लाइक दैट, so they really enjoy that. Some they are gardener, then they are nurse, then they are Amazon parcel boy, so they like all that. Yeah. So I keep doing this. This activity they really enjoy. So
Thank you so much, Kanika. It was pleasure talking to you, and all the best for your future roles. And take care. Be happy.
Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Thank you. Bye.